is so handy.
Really? Shaking all over the place here.
I have to have my mom over here every time I want to turn on the sewing machine. Like, help me again.
It's
very cute.
Oh, he's cute.
Look at you go. Holy cow.
Gretchen might have to help her.
Yeah, I was just going to say.
Let's see. There we go. Right now.
Oh,
my
goodness.
gosh. Oh, that's beautiful.
Wow.
It's heavy.
Wow.
Go.
That one was easy because I didn't have to do all the squares individually.
Good play place.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
I think
very
ours
What ours
cute.
was,
Dancing
ours
with
was
Owen
the floor
lives on
blanket.
his.
Yeah, very cute.
Cutest with fingers.
Yeah, I do
Perfect for
too.
downstairs.
Yeah,
Figured it was. I tried to stay kind of neutral.
yeah.
Perfect.
Oh, that's cute. Yeah.
Now, was that